Most faded motherfucker that you know. Give a little taste, now they shine overdose. Not coming to your door, I'm gone. That's your. Get up in my face with that while you stand alone. Next most faded motherfucker that you know. Overdose. Don't come close, cause you try and get exposed. Not coming to your door, I'm gone. Not your average little rapper, I ain't anybody can.